Okay. Yes, even though we're urban camping, we are still going on our morning walks, morning hikes. Can you call them a hike in the city?
Walk. Morning walk.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, well, come along with us.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Good morning. So yeah, we're getting back to the Prowler again. Getting back home to the house. We have a couple different routes we go. It's nice that they have that trail along the freeway there.
It's one of the better trails we've taken.
Yeah. Get over into the nice neighborhood over there. What do you think about walking across that bridge?
That I can do without. It's just kind of freaky. First of all, it gets very, very loud as soon as you go around that one corner, and it gets the echo in there, and it just kind of kind of weird with the shadows and stuff.
It really is. It's kind of
Disorientating.
disorienting because you got the traffic going this way, you got the traffic going that way, and it's like you're in a tube. You're in a tube, which you are. So anyway, here we are. We're back.
Home sweet home.
Home sweet home. Now check out this road rage guy. This is crazy. Okay, you guys. This is the car you want to keep an eye on. Which you can't miss it. But you can see all the lanes are coming down to this right lane. There's 3 lanes here, and let's see Carroll. This is on Bell Road, Phoenix, kind of North Phoenix. But okay, look. Here he goes. He sees cars coming up here. All of us, you guys know. I mean, we saw the signs, so we all moved over, But then you get these jerks coming up from behind that they want to go rush up to the front there and put it, make it a bigger jam than it already is. So this guy saw somebody coming up here. I realized what he's doing here. Okay, so that pissed him off. Now watch this. Oh yeah, he wanted to ram him. Okay, nope. Here it goes. He still see people coming up. Hey, I get it, man.
Yeah, no kidding.
He is mad. So now he's going to stay in this lane. And see if anybody else challenges at him. This poor guy here, he's just delivering pizza. Got yelled at. I could have really made mad and pulled up here and not let him in, but no, I get it. Yes, so he's stopping people from rushing up to the front, and I'm leaving a space for him. So, yeah. Anyway, that was it. No more jumping out of the car. We just drove up and went to the stoplight. So, take a look at these. Oh, I wanted to tell you guys. Sorry, didn't get you a video last Saturday. Been busy with my business. For those that don't know, I'm a realtor here in Arizona, Phoenix, and one of my past clients called and asked me to list their house. So this past week I've been super busy with that, but now we actually got an offer on that, so it'll be less busy for me, so I can resume editing and making videos. So, okay, check out these two nights of sunrises. Okay, you guys, look at this sunset. Like the clouds are on fire. Look at this. Absolutely spectacular. Oh my Lord. Look at that. Yep. And what do we have on the grill here? Hot dogs. We're doing some French fries in the air fryer. And we'll be right back.
Yeah, just changing into the orange and the gold. It's just beautiful.
Okay, this is the next night from the previous sunset video. Look at this. It's on fire. Arizona sunsets. We're walking these rocks here. Oh, nope, we're not gonna walk on the rocks. Oh. Let's, oh.